Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Yaris service light. This light typically illuminates after a certain mileage, reminding you it's time for routine maintenance, like an oil change. It does not signify an urgent problem, just a reminder. You can easily turn it off yourself without any special equipment. Just make sure your vehicle is completely off and parked safely before we begin these steps. First, get into your Yaris and insert the ignition key. Turn the key to the on position, but do not start the engine. You should see your dashboard lights illuminate. Next, locate the trip reset button, usually near your odometer. Press this button repeatedly until your odometer display shows trip A. This is a crucial step for the reset procedure to work correctly. Now, turn your ignition key completely to the OFF position. With the key off, press and hold down the trip reset button. Keep holding it firmly. While still holding the button, turn the ignition key back to the on position, again without starting the engine. You will need to maintain pressure on that button for several seconds during this step. As you continue to hold the trip button, you will notice a series of dashes appear on your odometer display. These dashes will count down and the maintenance light will begin to flash. After a few moments, the light will turn off completely and the odometer may show all zeros. Once the light is off, you can release the trip reset button. Your Toyota Yaris service light is now successfully reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.